No, not gonna look, just gonna walk straight out into the road without looking. Pair of idiots.
Yeah?
Fuck's sake, that is a good way to get yourself run over, you idiot. Speaking of which, and of course straight into the road without looking. Another smartphone zombie. Smartphone zombie. Oh, come on. Does nobody understand how a crossing works? Oh, come on. Just wait until the lights change. Bloody idiots. And we have a couple of zombies in the road, paying no attention at all to what's going on around them. I know I often call them zombies, but this one really does look like a zombie. Strange guy. Indicating left, but not looking and not listening. And of course a whole load of pedestrians that have no idea how a crossing works, nor enough sense to look before they walk into the road. Just walk out in front of me, you moron. Oh, come on, just wait until the lights change. What is wrong with you idiots? Pavement not a field here then. Ah, crossing right there. Why do they do these things? You're indicating left here, but of course they're just going to walk into the road without looking. Didn't even look. There's a crossing right behind me. Does nobody understand how a bloody crossing works? Smartphone zombie. No, wait till the lights change. Another pair of idiots that don't understand how a crossing works. Just wait till the lights change. Indicating left. And of course the smartphone zombie isn't going to look before walking into the road. Now, do not understand how crossings work. Masked marauder there, not paying attention. Why do they do these things?